Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of the BRBL subject in the English medium language. So you know that we are doing the definition terms. So let's start with the definition terms of the Company Act 2013. Okay, so Company Act is basically of 1956, but in 2013 it is amended. Okay, and after 2013 also it is amended, but right now for the syllabus point of view, this is given in your syllabus. Okay, now what is abridged prospectus? So prospectus is basically a brochure of a company. So abridged, that is a types of prospectus. So it is basically means a memorandum containing such salient feature of a prospectus which may be specified by the SEBI. So one word to remember of abridged is SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India. So whatever the rules and regulations which is specified by the SEBI, the company have to follow and company have to insert in the prospectus, that is called abridged prospectus. What is Appellant Tribunal? It is a NCLAT, National Company Law Appellant Tribunal. So it is basically a National Company Law Appellant Tribunal. Okay, NCLAT. So Appellant Tribunal basically where just appeal come from NCLT. This is NCLT. This is this one. Okay, this is your Appellant Tribunal. So that is very much important. Next, what is article? What is article? So article is basically, it's talk about, if I just say in the one word, it's talk about the internal rules and regulation. Internal rules and regulations of what? Internal rules and regulations of a company, that is called article. So in article of association, they can just change the terms and condition by themselves. So you can say that article means article of association of a company originally framed or as altered from time to time or applied in pursuance of any previous company law or of this act. This is called article. What is associate company? Associate company, we can say if Mahindra is a company, so Tech Mahindra is an associate company. So in my language, associate company 20 up to 50% percentage. If the share between 20 to 50% percentage is with the holding company, that is called associate company. So in relation to another company means a company in which that other company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company. Having such influence include a joint venture company. That is called associate company. What is authorized capital or nominal capital? It is which is authorized by the memorandum of a company. So memorandum, which is the important document. So whatever that is written, that is called authorized capital. Okay, that is the maximum amount of share capital of the company. Banking company, you have to just learn the section 5 clause C, that is a banking company. Board of director, basically the collectively body of director is called board of director. That is important. Yes, class. Any doubt right now? Please see. Abridge, appellant. Done, class? Is that okay? See article associate company. Okay, and then authorized capital, banking company, board of director. So this is very important for the examination point of view. Okay, this is very important for the examination point of view. Done, class? Now, the next one is, what is book of account? Books of account. So basically, that is a record that the company have to maintain. So book of account includes the record maintained in respect of all sum of money received and expended by a company and the matter in relation to which the receipt and expenditure take place. That is a book of account. All sales and purchase of goods and services by the company. Assets and liabilities of the company. Item of cost as may be prescribed under section 148, that is the books of account. So that is so simple. What is branch office? That is any establishment described by company, that is called branch office. Called up capital, which has been called for payment. Suppose a share is distributed but that is not paid. So suppose we just call the company, call the shareholder to just pay for that share. That is called the called up capital. That is important. What is charge? Charge means an interest or lien. Okay, what is this? An interest or lien that is created on the property or asset of the company or any of its undertaking. That is called charge. That is a separate chapter which is given in module B. Chartered account, that is given in Chartered Accountant Act. That is not important. What is company limited by C? Right now, if we just say the important thing that can become in the form of exam, this one, because that is a part of the syllabus. That's why I'm just doing it. Okay. Banking company section you have to remember, and that's it. Company limited by guarantee, company limited by share. So company limited by guarantee, company having the liability of its member, limited by memorandum to such account as a member may respectively undertake to contribute to the asset of the company in the event company wound up. It means suppose if the company is going to be wound up. So suppose Nikkita ma'am is a member and she say that I will be liable only up to the 50,000 rupees. That is a guarantee which is given by me. So on the winding of the company, I have to pay that much of amount. So because that is a guaranteed amount which I have just promised. And company limited by share, a company having liability of its member limited by memorandum to amount, if any, unpaid on the share, respectively held by them. That is company limited by share. What is company liquidator? What is company liquidator? So company liquidator is basically the tribunal in the case of winding up by the tribunal. Okay, it can be the company or creditor in case of the voluntarily winding up. Okay, so this is your company liquidator. So whenever the company is going to be wind up, the liquidator will come into picture that will just sold the asset of the company, that is called company liquidator. Okay, company secretariat not important, the definition which is given in the Company Secretariat Act 1980. Now, what is court? That is important term. So court according to Company Act means high court. In every state there is a high court. District court, below high court there is a district court. Court of session, for every criminal case the lower court is known as court of session, and district court for the civil cases the lower court is called district court. Special court is also there, and then metropolitan magistrate and judicial magistrate of first class. That's it. So this is your complete definition of the term court. See, that is important one. Done, class? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can please ask in a comment box. Okay. Any doubt, you can please ask. That is the important term. Now, class. Next is debenture. So debenture includes debenture stock, bonds, or any other instrument of a company evidencing a debt. Debenture is basically a security that the company can give by just taking loan from the bank. So debenture is a one kind of security. Okay. Deposit include any receipt of money by the way of deposit or loan or in any other form of a company. Director, which is appointed to the board of company, that is called director. Dividend include any interim dividend. Interim means a temporary profit. So dividend is basically the profit of a company. Okay. What is document? Document includes summon, notice, requisition, order, declaration, form and register, whether issued, sent or kept in pursuance of this act or under any law for the time being in force. That is called document. So out of this, the important thing is board of director. That's it. Okay, the important thing is board of director class. Then class. Okay, that's cool. The next one is class. What is financial statement? So financial statement of a company, it includes the balance sheet as at the end of financial year, profit loss account, okay, cash flow statement, a statement of change in equity, or any explanatory note annexed to or forming the part of any document referred to this. So this is called financial statement. Okay, this is called financial statement. Done, class? Financial statement with respect to the one person company, small company, or dormant company may not include the cash flow statement. So that statement is important. Okay, so for the one person company, small company, dormant. Dormant means the sleeping company that is not actively take part in the thing. That is called this one. Next, what is financial year? In relation to any company or body corporate means the period ending on 31st day of March every year and where it has been incorporated on or after the first day of January of the year. This is called financial year. So end, that is start from the 1st of April and end at the 31st of March. That is called financial year. Okay. What is foreign company? Foreign company means any company, body, corporate, incorporated outside India. Okay. The place of business in India, whether by itself or through the agent, physically or through electronic mode, and conduct any business activity in India in any other manner. That is called foreign company. Government company which is not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by central government or by state government or government. That is called this one. Holding company means a company which holding, suppose Tata is a holding company, Tata Steel, Tata Power, that is a subsidiary company of Tata. Is that okay? So that is the basic difference between holding and subsidiary. Key managerial personnel includes chief executive officer. That is not important. Yeah, the government company is a part of the syllabus. Holding company is a part of syllabus. This is the part of syllabus. Okay. Yeah. So these are the chief managerial, whole-time director, chief financial officer, and such other officer. Member subscribe to the memorandum of a company. Every other person who agree in writing to become this, or every person holding share of a company whose name is entered as a beneficial owner of the record. That is called this one. Memorandum, it is basically, that is an important document, that is called memorandum. Okay. Official liquidator, you can see, one person company which have only one person as a member. Private company, minimum paid up share capital is nothing, but which restrict the right to transfer the share. It means the private company cannot have a right to transfer the share except mutual consent, or except in one person company limit the number of member. It means for the private company minimum is 2, maximum is 200. Maximum is 200. That is important. Promoter, as you can see, that whose name as such in a prospectus and is identified by the company in the annual return, who has control over the affair of a company directly or indirectly, who shall apply to the person who is acting merely in a professional capacity. That is called promoter. Prospectus is just like a brochure. So there's a red herring prospectus, abridged prospectus, etc. So it is basically the brochure of a company. Public company which is not a private company, minimum paid up capital 0. Okay. Minimum 7, maximum unlimited member. Register of company means register of company maintained by the registrar. Registrar, additional registrar, joint registrar, deputy registrar, assistant registrar. So many registrar include under this one. Next, share includes stock, share capital of a company. Small company which have a paid up share capital, you can say that 50 lakh up to 5 crore. Turnover 2 crore up to 20 crore. That is important one. Okay, this is important one. Tribunal, it's a NCLT. Turnover, the aggregate value of the realization of amount made from the sale, supply, or distribution of goods or on account of services rendered. That is called turnover. Unlimited company, not having any limit on the liability of the members. That's it. So class, this is all for today's class, and I hope so you people understand this definition term. So whatever the definition term that I'm teaching you, you have to learn that definition term. That is important one. Okay. So as you can see that our case study batch is already going on. Okay. Today this batch is start. My class will be from 9th of December. So do not forget to enroll in the batch by applying the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount. Okay. So that's all for today's. And if you want to enroll, what you have to do, first of all, click on ADA 24/7. Okay. It's a Google Chrome. All courses, JIB, CAIIB, it's a CAIIB November 2025. 24, it's an English medium batch. Okay. So in English medium batch, you can see, if you just see the study plan of BRBL, it's a recorded one, class 1 to 5. Okay. So that's it. So if you want to enroll it, apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount. Okay. In the this one, if you just purchase the case studies, if you just purchase the Maha pack, so in the Maha pack you will get the everything. In Maha pack you will get everything class. Okay. So, and right now, double validity is also going on. So, just enroll in the CIB 2.0 Mahapack. Okay. Thank you so much for